10 beetroot powder skin benefits and 10 remedies. Introduction. Beetroot, commonly known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor, is not only a versatile vegetable for culinary purposes but also a potent ingredient for skincare. Packed with essential nutrients, beetroot powder offers numerous benefits for the skin and face. In this article, we will explore 10 remarkable benefits of beetroot powder on the skin and face, along with the 10 best beetroot remedies for various skin concerns. Benefits of beetroot powder on the skin and face. Anti-aging properties. Beetroot powder is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins A and C, which help fight free radicals and protect the skin from premature aging. Regular use of beetroot powder can reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, promoting a youthful complexion. Natural skin brightener. The natural pigment, betalain, present in beetroot powder acts as a natural skin brightener. It helps even out skin tone, diminishes dark spots, and imparts a healthy glow to the skin, leaving it looking radiant and rejuvenated. Hydrates and moisturizes. With its high water content, beetroot powder acts as an excellent natural moisturizer. It helps hydrate the skin, improving its elasticity and suppleness. Regular use can combat dryness, making the skin look plump and nourished. Detoxifies and cleanses. Beetroot powder contains detoxifying properties that aid in eliminating toxins from the skin. It helps unclog pores, reduces acne breakouts, and prevents the formation of blackheads, leaving the skin clean and refreshed. Fights hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation, caused by an excess production of melanin, can result in dark spots and uneven skin tone. Beetroot powder's natural lightening properties can help reduce hyperpigmentation, giving the skin a more uniform complexion. Soothes skin inflammation. Beetroot powder possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated and inflamed skin. It can provide relief from conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea, promoting a calmer and healthier complexion. Enhances collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. Beetroot powder stimulates collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing sagging. It can help tighten the skin, giving it a more youthful appearance. Exfoliates dead skin cells. Beetroot powder acts as a gentle exfoliator, effectively removing dead skin cells and promoting cell regeneration. Regular exfoliation with beetroot powder can reveal smoother, brighter skin and prevent clogged pores. Provides antibacterial protection. The antibacterial properties of beetroot powder make it an excellent ingredient for treating acne and preventing bacterial infections. It helps reduce the growth of acne-causing bacteria, keeping the skin clear and blemish-free. Revitalizes dull skin. If your skin appears dull and lackluster, beetroot powder can come to the rescue. It revives tired-looking skin, boosts circulation, and promotes a healthy complexion, leaving the skin looking fresh and revitalized. Top 10 beetroot remedies for the skin. Beetroot face mask. Mix beetroot powder with a teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mixture on your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. This mask brightens the skin, reduces dark spots, and nourishes the skin. Beetroot toner. Prepare a beetroot-infused toner by diluting beetroot powder in rose water. Apply the toner using a cotton pad after cleansing the face. This toner helps balance the skin's pH, tightens pores, and adds a natural radiance to the complexion. Beetroot lip balm. Create a homemade lip balm by combining beetroot powder with coconut oil and beeswax. Apply this nourishing balm to your lips to keep them hydrated, soft, and naturally tinted. Beetroot and yogurt scrub. Mix beetroot powder with plain yogurt and a tablespoon of sugar to create a gentle exfoliating scrub. Massage the mixture onto damp skin in circular motions, then rinse off with water. This scrub helps remove dead skin cells, revealing a smoother and brighter complexion. Beetroot and aloe vera gel soothing mask. Blend beetroot powder with fresh aloe vera gel to create a soothing face mask. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask calms inflammation, reduces redness, and provides hydration to the skin. Beetroot and rose water mask. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder and 2 tablespoons of rose water to form a smooth paste. Add the 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon glycerin to the mixture and stir well to combine. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and mix thoroughly. Ensure your face is clean and makeup-free before applying the mask. Using clean fingertips or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Relax and leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Once the mask has dried, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a soft towel and follow up with your regular moisturizer. Beetroot steam facial. Add beetroot powder to a bowl of hot water and lean over it, covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. Allow the steam to penetrate your skin for a few minutes. This steam treatment opens up pores, detoxifies the skin, and enhances circulation for a healthy glow. Beetroot and honey hand mask. Mix beetroot powder with honey and apply the mixture to your hands. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask helps moisturize dry hands, improves skin texture, and reduces pigmentation. Beetroot and turmeric face pack. Combine beetroot powder with a pinch of turmeric and a tablespoon of gram flour. Add enough rose water to form a paste. Apply this face pack, leave it on for 20 minutes, and rinse off. This pack brightens the skin, reduces acne scars, and promotes an even skin tone. Beetroot and cucumber eye mask. Blend beetroot powder with cucumber juice and refrigerate the mixture for a few minutes. Apply the chilled mixture to your under eye area using cotton pads. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off. This eye mask reduces puffiness and dark circles, and rejuvenates tired-looking eyes. Note: before applying these or any new face mask, it's recommended to perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any adverse reactions or allergies. If you experience any discomfort or irritation, discontinue use. Conclusion: beetroot powder is a natural and versatile ingredient that offers numerous benefits for the skin and face. From anti-aging properties to detoxification and hydration, beetroot powder can help achieve a healthy, radiant complexion. By incorporating the 10 beetroot remedies mentioned above into your skincare routine, you can harness the power of beetroot and unlock its potential for glowing, revitalized skin. Embrace the goodness of beetroot and let its natural properties transform your skincare regimen.